Hi guys, Roman at Biketailing. Let's talk a little bit about how we can extend the durability of the ceramic coating. For us at Biketailing, it's really important to explain our customers how they can turn that investment and extend the durability. So pretty much we have certain products that we recommend to our customers that they can use, by their own, and we have all the products that we need to do it at the shop, at the studio. So of the product that we recommend to the customers, let's start with the ceramic detailer. The ceramic detailer, this is a product that you can use once a month. The great thing about this product is that it's gonna improve the glossiness and the slickness of your ceramic coating, of the paint. So the hydrophobicity as well. The ceramic coating, no matter what, if you have 1 year, 3 years, 5 years, always the ceramic coating is gonna be losing properties little by little. So the kind of product that we always suggest is gonna help to extend that that process, extended the durability of your ceramic coating. So to use your ceramic detailer, you're gonna be spraying on a soft white microfiber, okay? And then you're gonna apply soft, easy on one panel. If we're talking about the gas tank, you can divide it on 3, So you can work on this section right here up to here, or you can go, let's say, because if not, it's gonna be 5. If we're talking about 3, it's gonna be this panel, and the left panel. So in that case, you apply and spray 3-4 times on the microfiber. You go over that panel, and then you can flip it to the dry area, and you can remove it, okay? It's easy to remove it, easy to install. Be careful that you don't leave any residue of the product. That can be a problem. You can have some stains created at the end because you don't remove it completely. So make sure that you remove it well, okay? So this is the ceramic detailer. It's easy to apply and we recommend it once a month. The other product that we recommend right here is gonna be the Cure. The Cure, you have 2 kinds. You have the Cure for glossy paint, and you have the Cure matte for matte finishes, okay? So in case of the Cure is gonna refresh your sealer. That is really important, okay? The sealer that we apply in the moment of the ceramic coating installation, this product is gonna refresh that sealer, bring up the properties that is gonna bring hydrophobicity and slickness and glossiness in your paint. Is really important. You can apply this product, and we suggest that you can apply it once every 3 months, all right? It's not something that we suggest that you apply it every time. So one time every 3 months is gonna be enough with this product, all right? Make sure this product, when it starts to dry, if you remove it well, you can have like a watermarks. Later on, if you leave it there, you're gonna need to bring it back to us, and we're gonna need to fix that panel. That in the most of the cases, is gonna mean also that we need to reapply the ceramic coating. So be careful with application. Make sure that you remove the Cure well. So if you have a light with you, a lamp, and if you have a lamp with a diffuser, okay, that is gonna be soft light, you're gonna be able to inspect and make sure with the light that you don't have any remaining product, and you can make sure that you remove it completely and well. Okay, so one time every 3 months, the Cure is gonna bring you up the sealer. It's an amazing product. After this kind of product, we have other product that we only apply at the shop. That is gonna be a booster for the ceramic coating. That is gonna be a ceramic coating itself, but it's a top coat ceramic coating that is gonna extend the durability for 1 year. That is why we explain to our customers that when we install right here 5-year ceramic coating, and then they use the right product to do the maintenance, and then they bring the bike to us, let's say twice a year, once a year at least, we can apply a booster there. So that way we can extend and create the ceramic coating to be infinite. So we don't gonna need to reapply, never we're gonna need to install a ceramic coating again, because we are keeping the right maintenance to extend the durability of the one that we already installed. Thank you very much. Keep looking other videos that we have. Thank you.